Your favorite plumber in Derby and all of Kansas. About us. We are a family-owned business established in Wichita and have been servicing the area around Derby for a very long time. Our vision is simple. We are dedicated to providing the best plumbing and router services at great prices. We understand the importance of optimal customer service and value the work we do. We offer the most generous discounts and we will be out the door before you even realize it. We always make an effort to use the latest technology and techniques to make any needed services as easy and convenient as possible for our customers. Our mission is to provide expert services at competitive prices while offering great customer service. We treat our clients with fairness by providing pricing and work scope in advance. We can meet any of your plumbing needs using adequate machinery and products, from water softeners and water heaters to disposals and faucets. We can find the leak and unclog the drains. We will explain things to you so that you can understand and without the sales pitch. We try to make sure we become your go-to plumber in the area, and we humbly ask that you give us a call the next time you need any work done. Our services. We provide services in all kinds of plumber work. Your running water will have no problem at all. The main goal is to provide our clients with the most complete list of services. We aim to expand our team of experts as there are more and more spheres of maintenance that we want to work with. We have been working for years to improve our skills, to expand the spheres of our work, and to use the latest tools, so you could receive better results. We strive to enhance our experts' skills and use high-tech technology. We work to ensure people's comfort at their homes and to provide the best and the fastest help at fair prices. We stand for quality, safety, and credibility, so you could be sure about our work.